starts leaking there. That starts leaking through here. It's so rusted in. That ain't happening. It's not happening. You're dropping the water. Apart from maybe getting a torch on it and heating it up, but I don't think that will actually do it. There you go. There's a screwdriver in there. So I've cut that little gap in there. Now I can just chuck a screwdriver in there and then I'll just hammer that in. And if I just lift this up, it's going to break that, isn't it? Or even twist it. It's just going to break that. So there we go. And then you could actually be a one-handed man, okay, and do this. So there we go. I'm doing it left-handed as well because for some reason I'm using my right hand to hold the camera when I should be using my right hand for this one. Now all we need to do is we push the horseshoe through like that. So as you can tell, it's sitting at that angle. Now it's a bit more difficult with this one, but it still works. All right, so we go in and now we can just twist this through. So I'll just twist it through, just like that. And you can carry on twisting, get it through there. Okay. Just like this. So now when this bit is left, we just need to push that through. I just want to kind of show you guys. There we go. So now that's in. You're trying to hold on to this and get the nut on at the same time, but I can literally do this with one hand now. Everything's one-handed. If you need two hands, it's more difficult. You can't argue with this, that this is easier. So that's in, as you can tell, looking lush. We're going to try the cold water first. There we go. It looks pretty solid as well.